How long can I store a pre-cooked ham in the refrigerator before cooking?
Hello there, ham lovers. Today, we're going to be answering an important question that comes up often in the culinary world. How long can you store a pre-cooked ham in the refrigerator before cooking it? Ensuring your food is stored correctly is crucial, not only for retaining flavor and freshness, but also for your health and safety.
What is pre-cooked ham?
Pre-cooked ham, as the name suggests, is a type of ham that has been cooked before it is sold. You can eat it right from the package, or heat it up if you prefer it warm. Despite being pre-cooked, it's crucial to know how to properly store and handle it to maximize its lifespan and maintain its quality.
How long can I store pre-cooked ham in the fridge?
Now let's get down to the crux of the matter. According to the USDA guidelines, a pre-cooked ham can be stored in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. To ensure maximum freshness, it should be stored at a temperature below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. Remember, once the ham package is opened, it should be used within 3 to 5 days, even if the sell-by date is still far off. If you cannot use it within this time frame, consider freezing it.
What about freezing pre-cooked ham?
You might be wondering, what if I want to store my pre-cooked ham for a longer period of time? Well, you're in luck because you absolutely can, in the freezer. Pre-cooked ham can be frozen for up to 2 months without a significant loss in quality. However, ensure it's wrapped tightly and securely to prevent freezer burn and maintain its taste and texture. So, to wrap things up, you can store your pre-cooked ham in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 5 days and in the freezer for up to 2 months. Remember, food safety is extremely important, and when in doubt, it's better to be safe than sorry. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this information helps you enjoy your pre-cooked ham safely and deliciously. Until next time, stay food smart.